Nearpump is an automated asset manager installed in your wallet. Actually, it is a truly decentralized DeFi product. Our main motivation is based on the fact that the vast majority of people is still not using crypto. Many are skeptical about it, others don't know enough so that it's difficult to make any investment decision. Additionally, there are a lot of very interesting projects and ecosystems so that the average person finds it difficult to keep track and to build a portfolio. Recent unfortunate events don't help the ecosystem either, such as the collapse of Terra Luna, hacks on breaches, illiquid scenarios, and of course scam projects that often appear here and there. These events push people away and delay the mass adoption of DeFi. If we aim to bring crypto to the next billion of people, we need to include more risk management into DeFi products. For instance, diversification is always good so that your investment is not fully exposed to a single protocol, product, or company. Everyone has a different risk appetite, meaning that a risky portfolio is not suitable for a very conservative person. It doesn't mean that it's bad, just different. Non-custody in DeFi is also never black and white. Sometimes you need to lock assets in third parties' addresses of smart contracts. We have already covered some of these aspects in previous projects at Serpius that target a large audience. However, a more advanced solution is still missing for users that know their desired portfolio and are looking to ways to automate their investments. Nearpump aims to solve this. It is a smart contract that is open source and can be deployed in your own wallet. Upon request of the owner, it can take his or her NEAR and invest in different assets and manage them over time. The rebalancing process can be delegated to a third party or to any user that wants to trigger the process and earn some reward. The smart contract ensures that the asset allocation and the type of products can only be changed by the owner, and third parties can only trigger the rebalancing process. Nearpump also issues a token that tracks the performance of the portfolio. This token can also be used as a kind of check, meaning that the owner can transfer it to any person so that later on it can be redeemed using the owner's smart contract. We have built on Near because it is a chain that allows users to deploy smart contracts into their own wallet addresses, opening DeFi to a new set of truly decentralized products. We have built an MVP and is deployed on testnet. Let's explore how it works.